Hello, kids! Let's learn pet animal names. Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Rabbit, rabbit. Horse, horse. Cow, cow. Goat, goat. Sheep, sheep. Pig, pig. Donkey, donkey. Ox, ox. Buffalo, buffalo. Camel, camel. Elephant, elephant. Deer, deer. Monkey, monkey.